A very good afternoon, children. I hope you all are fine with your family and taking all the precautions to stay healthy and safe. So today we are going to learn a part of speech conventions. I'll tell you the simplest meaning or explanation for convention. Simplest explanation. Conjunctions are joining words. Conjunctions are joining words. They join words, phrases, or sentences without changing the meaning. The meaning should not be changed. Okay? Conjunctions join words, phrases, and sentences without changing the meaning. This is the short answer for you to remember. Okay? Now the full sentence, what is it? A conjunction is a word or a group of words that can join other words. It helps us to make what we want to say shorter and more pointed. Conjunctions make the sentences short and to the point. It does not change the meaning. Yes, it makes the sentence short, but it does not change the meaning. Now, conjunctions can be a single word or more than two words. Okay, conjunctions can be a single word or more than two words. First example, I say Rahul is reading. We are talking about Rahul. Okay, Rahul is reading. Rehan is reading. Now, instead of saying these two sentences, I can combine it into a single sentence by using the conjunction and. Rahul is reading, Rehan is reading. In short, what do I say without changing the meaning? Rahul and Rehan are reading. Rahul and Rehan are reading. See here, the verb reading, second sentence also the verb reading, but I have shortened them, I have made it short. How Rahul and Rehan are reading. You must have seen that Rahul is mentioned, Rehan is mentioned, reading is also mentioned, but the two sentences have been combined into a single sentence and the meaning has not been changed. There is no change of meaning at all. This we have done by using a single word conjunction and. So other examples are and, because, so, then, when, as, so many single word conjunctions. Now we will do more than single words. Like Sahil is intelligent. Sahil is intelligent. He is hardworking. So Sahil has two qualities here. Two qualities. Sahil is intelligent, one quality. Sahil is hardworking, second quality. Instead of saying these two sentences, instead of using two sentences to describe Sahil, I'll use only a single sentence by using some conjunctions. Like meaning will not be changed. Okay. Sahil is not only intelligent but also hardworking. Has the meaning changed? No. The meaning has not been changed. Sahil is intelligent, he is hardworking. Sahil is not only intelligent but also hardworking. See, here I have used a single conjunction. Here, not only but also. So it is very easy, children. Okay? It's very easy. I'll give you some more examples from your book. Let's see. Some more things. See, Anjali went home, Santi went home. Combine Anjali and Santi went home. The chair is old, The chair is comfortable. I've said two qualities. I've used the adjective, two adjectives for the chair. The chair is old, the chair is comfortable. Combined, the chair is old but comfortable. When you are comparing the negatives, but you have to use. Okay. Now, another one. Too much food made Javed fat. Lack and exercise made Javed fat. Now, Javed is fat because of two reasons working together. Two reasons why Javed is fat. Number one, he eats too much food and he does not do any exercise. Applies for you also. Don't just lockdown time is going on, you may be pestering your mother. Mother, make this dish, make that dish. Eat and eat and eat. Watch and watch television. No exercise. You'll get fat and clumsy. Don't be fat. Be fit. Okay. So whatever food we eat, it gives us calories. Energy. These calories must be burned. If there is excess calorie, if you don't burn the calories in your body, you become fat. Here, Javed is fat because of two reasons working together. Too much food and lack of exercise. Lack of exercise means no exercise. If Javed had exercise, probably too much food would not have made him fat. Even if you eat too much but you do a regular exercise, you will not be fat. If Javed had eaten less, probably only lack of exercise would not have made him fat. Since the two regions go hand in hand, they cannot be stated in two separate ways. Some sentences cannot be stated separately. Okay. Then some more conditions are there. You see, Sita was not only intelligent but also hardworking. Not only was Sita intelligent, but she was also hardworking. Next one. Not only Raj was careless, but he was also lazy. Kalyan can stay either here or at a hotel. Neither Syam nor his brother was at home. The wise king treated everybody alike, the rich as well as the poor. Hardly had I reached home before I received the news of the accident. I had hardly reached home before I received the news of the accident. No sooner had the match started than it began to rain. The match had no sooner started than it began to rain. If a sentence begins with not only, hardly, no sooner, or scarcely, the helping verb comes before the subject. Subject is the person or the thing we are talking about in a sentence. A sentence can be divided into two main parts, subject and the predicate. A sentence must have a subject and a predicate and a verb. So, some more examples. I am saying on page 64. Okay, let's see. See the examples. As if, as soon as, because, before, both, and, either, of, for, hardly, where, before, if, in order that, neither, nor, or, scarcely, before, when, since, so long as, though, till, until, when. Now, some of these words and phrases can also be used as prepositions and or adverbs. Remember that. Conjunctions only joins. The main function of the conjunction is to join. A preposition tells us preposition. It tells us about the position. Okay. A preposition tells us where somebody or something is, where something happens or somebody does something, the direction or place from which somebody or something is coming, or the direction in which the place where somebody is something going on. Then an adverb qualifies a verb, an adjective or any other adverb. Now there is an exercise. I'll give you some examples. Okay, like A64. This is just for reading only. Page 63, 64 is just for reading. I'm reading from page 64. This one. Join each pair of sentences with conjunction given in the bracket. Sentences have been given, conjunction has been given, but you have to place the conjunction at the right place and make the other changes. Like number one, Arpita was crying. She had lost her pen. Two sentences. Arpita was crying. She had lost her pen. Now join this using the conjunction because. How to join? Arpita was crying because she had lost her pen. So when you use a conjunction, the first full stop is removed and the sentence will start with the next second sentence will start with a small letter unless it is a proper one. In this sentence you see, Arpita was crying, cancel the full stop, right, because after that the word is she, S small letter. So, number two, this room is small, it is very bright and airy. Conjunction we use is but. So, this room is small, but very bright and airy. This room is small, but very bright and airy. What will you do? This room is small, cancel the full stop, write but and cancel it is very bright and airy. Number three, Hari was angry, he kept quiet. How do I write? Hari was angry, he kept quiet. It has to change. Hari was angry, though he kept quiet. Cancel the full stop and the second sentence capital letter. Hari was angry, though he was quiet. Number four. Ratan is young, he is foolish. The total change will be there. You have to use this sentence, not only, but also. Excuse me. Ratan is young, he is foolish. What do you write? Not only, or you can write, Ratan is not only young, but also foolish. Ratan is not only young, but also foolish. And when you use a conjunction, at last only one full stop will be there. In one sentence, only one full stop will be there. If two full stops are there, it means there are two sentences. If three full stops are there, it means there are three sentences. So in conjunction, when you are joining, only one. Number five. The sun rose, the clouds disappeared. The sun rose when the clouds disappeared. The sun rose when the clouds disappeared. Cancel the first full stop and the capital. Number six. Please drink your tea. It is getting cold. Please drink your tea, for it is getting cold. Again, cancel the full stop and the second capital. Number seven. You must finish this work. Then you can go home. You must finish this work before you can go home. You must finish this work before you can go home. Number 8. Sanjeev is a good footballer. His brother is a good footballer also. So how to write? Sanjeev as well as his brother are good footballers. Or you can write in another way. Sanjeev as well as his brother is a good footballer. Okay. Sanjeev as well as his brother is a good footballer. Number 9. June had just left the house. She remembered that she had left her keys on the table. How to write? What is the conjunction? Hardly. Hardly June had left the house when she remembered that she had left the keys on the table. Hardly June had left the house when she remembered that she had left the keys on the table. Number 10. Think carefully, then make up your mind. And then something use before. Think carefully before you make up your mind. Think carefully before you make up your mind. Number 11. You want to wait in the library? You must keep quiet. You must, if you want to wait in the library, you must keep quiet. So you have to change the sequence. You must keep quiet if you want to wait in the library. You must keep quiet if you want to stay in the library. Number 12. The show was over. The crowd went home. After. This also you have to change the sentence please. The crowd went home after the show was over. Okay. The crowd went home after the show was over. Number 13. It was a beautiful day. We decided to go on a picnic. We decided to go on a picnic as it was a beautiful day. We decided to go on a picnic as it was a beautiful day. Number 14. He waited. The bus came. Till. He waited till the bus came. He waited till the bus came. Number 15. Gopalan can stay, he can go home. Gopalan can either stay or go home. Gopalan can either stay or go home. Alright. Or in other words, Gopalan can stay or go home. Simplest, right there. Simplest. Gopalan can stay or go home. Number 16. Do not kill that snake. It is harmless. Do not kill that snake because it is harmless. Do not kill that snake because it is harmless. Number 17. His head touched the pillow. He fell asleep. So what to write? You have to use the consonant hardly, when or before. Hardly his head touched the pillow when he fell asleep. Okay. Number 18. The jungle is dense. It is full of wild animals. Not only and but also. Not only the jungle is dense, but also it is full of wild animals. Not only the jungle is dense, but also it is full of wild animals. Number 19. Gold is a precious metal, silver is a precious metal. Gold and silver are precious metals. Gold and silver are precious metals. You have to pay attention to the singulars and plurals also. Number 20. The thief saw the police coming, he ran away. Alright. As soon as the thief saw the police coming, he ran away. As soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. Number 21. Kartika reached the station, the train started. Scarcely and when. Scarcely Kartika reached the station when the train started. Scarcely Kartika reached the station when the train started. Number 22. A musician may be great, he has to practice hard. A musician may be great, though he has to practice hard. A musician may be great, though he has to practice hard. Number 23. One should not waste water, it is precious. One should not waste water, for it is precious. Rima sat down to have a dinner, the bell rang again. No sooner than. No sooner Rima sat down to have a dinner than the bell rang again. No sooner Rima sat down to have a dinner than the bell rang again. 25. The tiger came near the baby, he turned and went away. The tiger came near the baby, but he turned and went away. Number 26. Deepthi went for a walk every morning. She wished to keep fit. Deepthi went for a walk in the morning in order to Keep fit. Deepthi went for a walk every morning in order to keep fit. I told you you should be fit, not fat. Number 27. All the members are present. We can start the meeting. We have to change the sequence. We can start the meeting since all the members are present. We can start the meeting since all the members are present. Number 28. The question seems difficult. The answer is simple. The question seems difficult, though the answer is simple. The question seems difficult, though the answer is simple. Number 29. Please call the doctor immediately. The patient is feeling unwell. Please call the doctor immediately, for the patient is feeling unwell. Number 13. The bell rang. The children rushed out of the classroom. As soon as the bell rang, the children rushed out of the classroom. Or the children rushed out of the classroom as soon as the bell rang. So I want you to complete the exercises from 64 and 65. Do it in the textbook or in a rough book. Complete it properly, carefully. After correction, we will do it in the next book. So children, this was only for today. Bye.